I'm going to be opening a Find Your Wings box today, and so let's get started. So right here we have some tape that you can tear apart and you can give it to friends. And this one's rainbow, and it has rainbows on it. And there's all different other ones, like these. There's hearts and there's those. And right here we have a bath bomb that's blue, and it's a star, and it's melon blast flavored. And it's a bath burst, and it makes bubbles in the bathroom. And here we have some spray that you can spray on your body, and it smells like pink grapefruit. It smells really good. And then right here we have a brush that you can pop out and brush your hair whenever you need it. And you can put it in your purse or in your little pocket, and you can put it in your pocket. And here's the mirror, and here's the brush, and you can pop it back in and then close it. And then right here's a doodle book, and it's emojis, and here's a marker it comes with. It's a pink marker. And here's some stickers. And there's unicorns and pretzels and all kinds of emojis. And then right here you can do mazes and games. So you can make your own emojis, and you can make like eyes and little comments, and you can make mouths and eyes, and you can do like you can write stuff here. And you can also, and then here is a sticker that you can just attach to like backpacks or notebooks or lunch boxes or pencil cases or little pouches. And then here's some face masks, and it has cactuses on it, all kinds of cactuses, and it says "Looking Sharp" on it. And right here there is some tattoos, and there's some sunglasses, a guitar, some words, some music notes, some lightning bolts, and some bracelets you can put on yourself. And right here is some lotion for your face and body, and you can put, and it's pink grapefruit scented. And let's see if it smells like pink grapefruit. It smells good. Good. Here we have some bracelets or jewelry, and here's some gems and more gems and some string. And you can make headbands and necklaces and bracelets. And that's cool. And they're stretchy. And then here's a pouch that you can put pencils and makeup and lipstick and all kinds of things. You can put whatever you want in it. You can put jewelry in it too. And it flips. This. And then that's all we have.